Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the domain is in your Godaddy account and unlocked so changes apply immediately. Once done, sign in and open My Products, then choose Domains and select Manage DNS for the target domain. Have the DNS records you plan to add ready? CNAME, MX, TXT, because making multiple edits at once saves propagation cycles. You're doing this to point services or verify ownership, so accuracy matters when entering host names, TTL, and values. Now you'll add or edit records directly in Manage DNS. Click Add for new entry or edit on an existing line, choose the record type, fill host and points to or value, set TTL, then save. Make sure the host label is exact, USAT for root, www for subdomain, and paste values without extra spaces or invisible characters. If you're replacing name servers instead, go to Manage under Name Servers and change to Custom, entering the provided name server list, then confirm to transfer DNS control. Finish by verifying changes. Use dig or ENS lookup to confirm that the new records resolve, and remember propagation can take up to 48 hours, though many records appear sooner. Make sure no duplicate or conflicting records exist and that name servers match where DNS is hosted. If the record doesn't show, re-enter exact values, reduce TTL for quicker retries, clear local DNS cache, and check registrar settings. If issues persist, contact Godaddy support with screenshots and the exact record lines for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.